found in the music, in the dress, in the clothing, in the bazaar. It's almost as if one were sensory hungry, and that the hunger somehow in suburbia was not met. And it is my very definite opinion that until we find modalities of stimulating the young mind and body within either the school setting or in the community where they can feel a part of something, where something has meaning, where there's feedback from, say, adult to youth and youth to adult, that we're going to be missing the boat in any educational program.
Morning.
Well, where do we start? Didn't exactly have the best night's sleep. The campsite was quite busy.
Like a festival.
It
It
was.
was like a festival. They
was-
thought they were in a festival.
Everyone was getting loud and
Music.
neighbours were clashing, and it wasn't the best scenario, was it really, babes?
No, the music was quite loud considering we're in a, an kind of outdoor campground where you're supposed to be one with nature, and they've got trash music blaring.
Absolutely. Like 10:30 is fairly early for me, but some people with kids, they've got to go to sleep. So it was quite interesting to hear all that going off. I think everyone here on the campsite all had to ask someone to be quiet at some point. Of course, you can't start the day without having some bacon and eggs and coffee and some beans as well.
Yeah.
We'll make our way to Honeymoon Pool because it isn't too far away.
No, a couple of kilometres, I think. 5 at most.
I think another big letdown was the fact that we woke up and the weather was just great. It's supposed to be glorious sunshine, so whether it's going to make a late arrival, I'm not sure, but
The weather app was wrong. It had sun and 33. It's cloudy and windy.
yeah,
Not cold, but not ideal.
yeah. For summer, we are both in like long trousers, which is a bit weird.
Very weird. It was roasting yesterday.
So I don't know how the photos are going to go today. I'm going to have to get a bit creative. I would throw the drone up there, but there's quite a lot of wind as well. We'll just have to see how that all goes. And like I usually say, if I get some photos, then I'll share them with you.
You got some good night ones last night.
Actually did. Got quite an exciting night shot last night, which I guess technically you would have already seen, but I haven't seen it because I haven't edited it yet or put it up. But you will have seen it, and I haven't seen it, but I was quite happy with it. So yeah, this camping adventure's proven to be a bit difficult, a bit of a test, but that's what it's about. We're gonna not to be deterred, we'll have a bit of a look around. There might be other campsites we can find that maybe even be a bit quieter, but to be honest, we've had a look around. I'll give you a bit of a tour later on. A lot of people seem to be leaving, so when there's less people, there might be.
And I think the main culprits are packing up, which is great.
Yeah, but yeah, like we said yesterday as well, there was even some fisticuffs and everything like that. Fisticuffs, pugilistic warfare at the campsite.
Which they took off yesterday afternoon,
Yeah.
evening after that. Yeah.
And they left. But apart from that, yeah, there's a bit of a breeze, so that's not ideal drone weather. But you've got to be brave sometimes. And I'll keep you posted. We're still gonna have some fun. So catch ya
Later.
So we just made our way down to Wellington Dam, took some really nice pictures, managed to get the drone up. Again, you probably would have seen that. We seem to be holding up traffic, which is a thing. As you can see, there's the dam. Oh, it's hard for me to do it. There's the dam. Like that. It's pretty rad here. Unfortunately, when I came here, I didn't bring my filters, my ND filters, in order to slow the water down. So I'm going to have to use a technique in Photoshop. I'll probably try and put a link in the description for the process. It's pretty straightforward. You just mash a whole load of the same images together. What's really nice about here is that you've got this amazing looking dam one way, and then as you turn around, you've got an amazing looking girlfriend.
Hi!
And all this beautiful greenery and a lovely bridge. It's really quite something very nice indeed. So we're going to go on to honeymoon pool now.
Yeah, I think a few stops along the way though before that. It's a one-way road, so
Yeah.
eventually honeymoon pool.
There's already a load of people out, you know, living the alcoholism life, which is great. We've run into a fair few, chucking them down already.
Yeah.
It's not even, what is it? Not even 11?
I don't think so.
It wouldn't even be 11 now, you know.
Looks like they've been on it from the night before.
Yeah,
still.
just topping up maybe.
Shocked.
But
I don't know what's with it in this area. There's lots
yeah, so that's one thing perhaps I should mention is we found here at this time of year, we got the tail end of the school.
Yeah.
Tail end of the school holidays, and then you've got the Australia Day long weekend coming up next week. There's just been loads of people. Like, if I get to show you how many people have been here, you'll be amazed. We were quite amazed. Like, campsite's full, like we've said before, really quite something. But we managed to find a spot, and a lot of the annoying people that were us off earlier on, they've gone now. So we'll go on to the next spot before we get squashed by a car.
And this is found in the music, in the dress, and the clothing, and the bazaar. It's almost as if one were sensory hungry, and that the hunger somehow in suburbia was not met. And it is my very definite opinion that until we find modalities of stimulating the young mind and body within either the school setting or in the community where they can feel a part of something, where something has meaning, where there's feedback from, say, adult to youth and youth to adult, that we're going to be missing the boat in any educational program.